Thank you very much for recognizing Kelvin Mpande, the ghetto president, aka the People's Bay.
Honourable member.
Yes.
Honourable member, there's no Kelvin Mpande in this house. Can we go straight to the business of the day?
Ngongole Kuni constituency. The ghetto president, of course. Thank you very much, First Deputy Speaker. I thank you very much, the Minister of Finance. But my concern is, as a country, yes, it's been borrowing. But what do we do to reduce the borrowing as a country? My focus is, as a country, we depend on taxes. Why can't you focus on the issue to do tax so that we can generate more, we can collect more through taxes? As a Minister of Finance, I would like to appeal to you that our focus should be coming up with policies. I support the borrowing. Yes, it is very important. But as Parliament, as a country, we need to focus on how do we collect more through taxes and through mining, of course. People have been exploiting our minerals by exploring maybe 5 years, 10 years. But as Parliament, we need to come up with laws so that we can generate through our minerals that we have as a country. That should be the focus, my appeal, Honourable Minister. Through taxes, we can come up with policies to bring in more in the tax nest by reducing maybe tax rates. Tax rates in Malawi are too exorbitant. So when we reduce tax rates, we will be able to bring many people in the tax net. Let's also improve on maybe tax education, because many people in Malawi are not educated. They don't know issues to do with taxes. Come up with tax education. People should be able to know anything to do with taxes so that they should be able to be complying. I submit. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Leader.
And also in response to the issue that has been raised by Lilongwe Nyanja. If there's a party that uses money properly, it's DPP. When we left government, public debt was 4.1 trillion. Kwacha. 4.1 trillion. Can I give me an opportunity to speak? It was 4.1
order
trillion
to my left.
in Malawi Kwacha. But our colleagues on the other side multiplied by 5 times. As we speak now is 21.6, and I'm told more is coming. More is coming. So the fact is that I want to assure the honourable member. I want to assure the honourable member that no project will suffer. Indeed, we have used some of the resources from World Bank, but there's a program already for replenishment. You get it? So no project is going to suffer. I also want to assure you that DPP will not do what the past government did. I just want to give you examples, something that is on my table. We got fuel from DRC. That fuel was not used. It was given to a private trader for fuel in Malawi. We got fertilizer from Morocco for AIP. It went to wrong hands. So DPP will not do that. DPP will not do that. And also there was maize. There was maize that was supposed to go to the poor people. Yes. But it was labeled as a party maize and was being distributed for campaign. That will not happen. That will not happen for DPP. If anybody, I can challenge. If anybody wants evidence, if you need evidence, I'm prepared to bring it here. Bring it. I will bring it here. Lastly, I would want to comment also on, I want to also to,
Basi musiye bomba anthu asokonekerapo.
I